Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of geometry, and the question has been taken from the CAT 2023 exam slot 3. Now the question is as follows. A rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 cm. Then the ratio of the lengths of the largest to the smallest side of this rectangle is. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A 2 by 1, option B 1 by 1, option C root 5 by 1, and option D root 2 by 1. So I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So, according to our given question, we are given that a rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 cm. So, let us first draw a semicircle and then put a rectangle inside it. Now, let's take this point O as the center of the semicircle. So, the distance till here is the radius. This is 90 degree as it is a rectangle. Now, it is given that we have to find the ratio of the lengths of the largest to the smallest side of the rectangle. Now let us assume that the breadth of the rectangle is A and this part is equal to B. So from here to here it is B. So this is also B. So the length is equal to 2B. Now basically we have to find the ratio of the largest to the smallest side of the rectangle. So we have to find the ratio of 2B by A. Now we are given that the rectangle is of the maximum possible area. And what is the area of the rectangle? It is equal to length into breadth. So in our case, it is equal to 2b into a, which is equal to 2ab. Now we can find 2ab's maximum value by using the property that am is always greater than or equal to gm. So if we take the arithmetic mean of a square plus b square, then it is equal to a square plus b square by 2, and it is always greater than and equal to under root of a square into b square. So if we calculate it, it is a square plus b square is always greater than 2ab. So the maximum value of 2ab is equal to the value of a square plus b square. Now the only possible way of having a square plus b square is equal to 2ab, it is when a is equal to b. So we can easily say that a is equal to b. So the ratio is equal to 2 by 1. Now you have to remember such things to solve such questions, because you would not be able to solve this question by any other way. So what we did is we first drew a semicircle, then put a rectangle in it, then use the property of arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean, and then took the arithmetic mean of a square and b square, and we proved that a square plus b square is always greater than equal to 2b, or it is a square plus b square is equal to 2ab for its maximum value. Now it only happens when a is equal to b. So this is equal to a and b. Now we have to find the ratio of the lengths of the largest to the smallest side. So that was 2b by a. So that is equal to 2 by 1, as b and a are similar. So 2 by 1 is our answer, that is option number A.